Now there are a few rules on how to make plurals in English grammar. Let's take a look. Most of the nouns make plural by adding s. For examples, chair, chairs, apple, apples. And some plurals are made by singular noun that ends in sh, ch, ss, x, and then we add es and the end of the noun. For example, dish, dishes, match, matches, class, classes, box, boxes. There are also some nouns that end in consonant and y. For example, baby, babies, city, cities. Now you can take a look at the pattern here. We change y into I, like baby, with two, ending with y, and then we change it into I. Later on, we add the s at the back of the word. And then also there are some words ending in y, but before y, it has vowel. So, we can make it plurals by adding s. For example, boy, boys, king, keys. Now take a look at this word. This singular word ends with y, and then you take a look at the letter before y. It has o, so it's a vowel, right? So you only have to add s. And then in his word key, before y, it has e, which is a vowel. So we only have to add cas. Key turn into keys. Now let's look at the next nouns which end with f or fe. So how do we make it plurals? We need to change f to v and then add es. For examples, leaf. It ends with f, as you see here, and then it turns into leaves, which f change into v and then we add es. So it means leaves, which means more than one. And then there's also the word life, L-I-F-T, which ends with f and t. And then how do we make it plural? Just simply by changing f into v and then we add es. So it becomes leaves. Hello amazing heroes! Today we're going to learn about singular and plural of a noun in English. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. There are singular and plural nouns. Singular means one. For example, it can be a person, for example, student, doctor, and pilot. Place, it can be school, park, and hospital. Thing means book, chair, or apple. Now, in English, as I told you before, singular means one, right? So it means one student, one school, or one book. And then we can make them into plurals. So if it's more than one student, we say students. If it's more than one school, we say schools. And just like before, if it's more than one book, we say books. Okay? We're going to proceed with the next lesson.